All right, guys. So I found a very easier way for us to be able to make payment in dollars using a virtual card, and it's very easy. All you just need to do is head onto your browser and search for what I call Pay, Gig Pay, and once it loads, you click the first link. That is geekpay.africa, and so you can check through your site to see a couple of features you get on the account. So the first thing you want to do is open an account. If you don't have an account with them, you click on the open account and then you enter your full name, your email, and then your password. Now your password has to contain a capital letter, a small letter, and a special symbol like hash, comma, and what have you. So that is that about that. So I already have an account with them, so I'm just going to click the hamburger symbol and sign into my account. So I show you how it works. So all right, good. So I'm inside my account now. So the first thing you want to do when you sign into your account is go to this account section, click on this account section, and then validate your account. So I was asked to take a selfie. So that is why I'm going to advise you use your mobile phone. I was asked to take a selfie with my phone, and after taking my selfie, they asked for my NIN, because I use my NIN as my means of identification, and then they asked me to enter my NIN number. That's your NIMC slip. You get your NIM number there. So after entering that, they asked me to also upload my proof of address. I had to use my NEPA bill. So, and also again, I was asked to enter a couple of details of my first name, last name, date of birth, my phone number, occupation, and then they asked for my tax ID. So I had to skip that since I don't have that readily available. So once you submit that within 30 seconds to 1 minute, provided everything you entered is correct, your account is going to be verified. So, and that is that about that. So once your account is verified, you can also click on this hamburger symbol and then come back to the account section and click on create account. Now you want to create a Naira account, since it's much more easier for we as Nigerians to be able to transfer to our Naira account. So all you just need to do is scroll down and click on the NGN, and then you click on create. So if you want to create a USD, if you find it convenient to fund your USD account, you can select USD or select euro or pounds. But then I'm going to be clicking on engine, since it's much more easier for me to make a transfer to a Naira account, and click on create. So I already did that. So that's why you can see my account, the account name, the bank, which is Providus Bank, and account number. So once you have your account number ready, go to your mobile app and make a transfer to Providus account, and within 1 minute the payment is going to come in. And also, lest I forget, whatever you are doing on this app, you keep getting a notification in your email, which makes more sense. Once they verify your account, you also get an email telling you that your account has been verified. So that is that about that. And you can also come to the settings option. You could see a couple of settings there. And now, and that thing I want to do is go back to my dashboard. You can see I have my USD wallet balance. So I mean, this app is very cool. It gives you the option to be able to receive payments in USD, receive payments in euros, in pounds, and also in naira. So I can click this symbol here and I'll come down. You can see I have my NGN wallet balance. I have 400 and 41 naira. So I'm able to send this money. I can send it to my Nigerian bank account if I want to send, and I can also convert it maybe from NGN to USD, or the list continues like that. So I mean, it's very easier. So that's how that works. So you can see my recent transaction, my spending this month, my virtual card, my virtual account, and the exchange rate. And also another beautiful feature on GigPay is they have the loan facility, which means you're able to apply for a loan. And then we have the live chat option, which gives you the privilege to be able to chat with their support team, which I think is very cool, because I mean, customers support is a very important feature on any platform. So now if you want to create a card, all you just need to do, once you already funded your account and your account has been verified, all you just need to do is click on this hamburger symbol and then come to the card section. And all you just want to do is create a card. And when you're trying to create a card, you can enter an alias. So me, I decided to use dollar as my alias. You can choose whatever one you're okay with, and then click on virtual card and click on continue. Then now they're going to charge you $3 for you to be able to create a virtual card. So depending on whatever amount you want to fund, if you want to fund $10, make sure you add the extra $3 to it, because they're going to deduct it from the amount. So let's say I want to fund $10. This literally means that by the end of the day, I'm going to be getting $7 on my virtual card by the time I'm done creating, because they're going to remove $3 from this $10, and then you select the wallet. Where do you want to fund it? Since I'm using the NGN wallet, I'll ask them to debit it from my Naira wallet. And when I click on submit, you see I get an error which is insufficient fund. That is because I have insufficient fund in my account, and well, already have the card there, so there's no point of me creating a dollar card again. So that is that about that. And you can see the card has a couple of cool features. By the time you've created your card, so you can hide the balance, you can freeze, you can withdraw your funds, you can see the billing address. The sites you want to register, they ask for your billing address, so you don't have to worry about that. All you just need to do is click on this see billing address, and boom, you're good to go. And you can see your card activities. I tested it on Namecheap. You see, I tested it. They debited me $5.05, which I think is still reasonable. And you can see my funding. I funded $7 on the virtual card. And also, again, you can if you want to review the details of your card, all you just need to do is click this option, and then it's going to show. And you can also copy your card details, and you can add funds. If you want to add funds, select where you want to fund. Maybe you want to add fund from your Naira account, and then you click the amount. If it's $5 you want to add, you see it's going to give you the exchange rate. They're going to charge me 3,299 for me to be able to get $5, but I don't have up to that in my account. So once you're able to have that, then you can click on continue, and you are good to go. You automatically find the amount in your dollar card. So basically, that's all you just need to do on GigPay. It's very, very easy. If you find any difficulties while trying to create your account, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you. And drop a comment if you find this helpful.